Bet you was taught how to get the girl, wouldn't you? You was taught how to get her, tell her she's beautiful, right? But guess what? Women don't like to just be told over and over they're beautiful. To keep the woman, you're going to have to show her she's beautiful. And if you click this video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your woman happy and what women really want. Communicate, communicate, communicate. I know you're tired of hearing that, but women like to be mentally stimulated, meaning you got to constantly work her brain. That means you're going to have to hit her with some normal conversational starters. And I get it. I know men don't typically like to have conversations, but you got to think, I know you probably got her by saying you're beautiful. What makes you think that the next man who tries that on her, she's not going to eat that up? And just ask her questions like, how was your day? And fucking listen. If she tells you she ate broccoli for lunch, follow up with it. How was it? Was it good? You don't have to just be a bot. Oh, this next one, I'm about to get all up in your business. How's your sex life? How is your sex life? I hope YouTube don't ban me for this. But you know, a lot of men be thinking they're pleasing their woman and they're not. And women be faking it. So you're going to have to ask her. And I know that's uncomfortable. Am I pleasing you? Or is there something you're willing to try? Because guess what? Them moves that worked 5 years ago, you can't keep doing that same stuff. You're going to have to keep it spicy. If you don't please her, the next man is going to take her from you. So you're going to have to get uncomfortable asking these uncomfortable questions. The top reason women cheat is because they don't feel sexually satisfied. So you're going to have to satisfy her. You have a heads up by just simply asking her, am I pleasing you? Okay, is there things you want to try? Let's try it.
Let's say 1,000% you know that you are pleasing her sexually. Are you stimulating her mind? Or are you coming straight home from work, not talking to her all day and expecting to have sex? Like, that's how prostitutes work. And I know she ain't no prostitute. Women don't like that. I'm speaking from my own experience. Women are most likely to have sex with you if there's some kind of chemistry, if there's some kind of stimulation. What you're gonna have to do is, if you're doing this, is just send her a message when you're thinking about her throughout the day. Hey, sweetie, I thought about you today. That's gonna warm it up so she's more likely to do it. Guys, I got one more step for you. I got one last thing to tell you, but do me a favor. If you're here right now, go ahead and comment, I'm here right now, or leave a heart in the chat. Ladies, if you're in here and you're watching this, let me know. Did I miss a step, or do you have a step that you can suggest? Leave it in the chat for the men's. But here's the last thing I got for you guys. Remember, women like to be appreciated. When's the last time y'all done something together? Took her on a date night. And I know the economy is high. I know it's expensive. Everything's high. But that doesn't mean you have to take her out. Bring her in. Women like romantic men. If you planned a romantic evening in the house, you ordered pizza, you got a movie, you got some wine, women like to spend quality time with her man. I know you're on your phone right now, but pause this video, go to your calendar, and go ahead and schedule a date this month. And then text her and tell her, I don't know what you're doing this Saturday, I don't know what you're doing this Friday, but we got plans, and make plans to take her out. A woman likes to feel valued. It doesn't mean that you have to spend money on her. Just spend some time with her and show her that you're wanting to do some effort. Go ahead and recap what we're going to do to make your woman happy. Number one, we're going to communicate. We're going to communicate more. We're going to text her. Every day, I'm thinking about you. I love you. How's your day? What did you have for lunch today? Right? Number one. Number two, we're going to ask her, are we sexually stimulating her? And if we're not, we're going to ask her, is there some things she's willing to try? Number three, we're going to invite her out on a date night out or a date night in. We're going to text her right now to let her know not to make plans for this day moving forward. If you don't listen to anything that I'm saying, know this. You're going to have to follow up with everything I'm telling you, because women see when the relationship is sinking. She'll know before you'll know. So everything I'm telling you, it's going to work, but it's up to you to hold yourself accountable. So go ahead and schedule not just this month in your calendar, the next couple months. Set your reminder so you know to send her texts every day at a certain time. Man, I'm telling you, this is going to work. Well, guys, if you're new here, my name is Natalie. Thank you for staying to the very end. If you like this video, if you like this content, please like and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I see you guys next time. I love you, I miss you, and I can't wait to see you soon.